Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. I'm convinced that it is because of my template-based cooking that I can cook every day without getting tired of it. One of my early adopters of my template-based cooking method told me that she never get tired of what she is cooking. She told me after she adopted my template-based cooking method, she never cooked the same dish twice. If that dish become a hit, then she will just do a sequel. That sounds pretty amazing. In this video, I'm going to show you how it's going to work for you. In the previous video, I showed you a simple stir-fry vegetable template for cooking a onion and mushroom dish. This stir-fry vegetable template is very simple. All it does is that to cook the mushroom and the onion in sequential orders. The goal is to create perfect textures for both food ingredients. Now, the variation to this template is by simply substitute the vegetables. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to make changes to these ingredients by adding an additional vegetable. Okay, let's play a what-if situation. Say you are on your way home late in the evening and you decided that you want to have shrimp and vegetable for dinner tonight. First thing to do is that as soon as you walk in the kitchen, you go to the freezer and you thaw out some shrimp. Let's assume that you have done prepping in advance. So you go into the refrigerator and you find some onion, mushroom, and asparagus are all ready to go. Okay, with these ingredients in front of you, you have constructed in your head the dish for tonight is going to be shrimp over onion, mushroom, and asparagus medley. For carbohydrate, you're going to have rice because you cooked some the previous day. Before you start to cook, you send a quick text to your wife and let her know that dinner will be ready in 15 minutes. The shrimp was all thawed and ready to go. So you're going to use the basic stir-fry template for shrimp as shown in the other video. Cooking the shrimp is quick. It is done in less than 3 minutes. Next, you cook the onion, asparagus, and mushroom dish using the basic vegetable stir-fry template. Since the onion takes the longest time to cook, so it went in first. Next, you add the asparagus. Stir-fry the onion and asparagus for about 30 to 60 seconds. If you prefer a softer texture, you could add a little bit water to steam it. Lastly, you add the portobello mushroom to the wok. One advantage of stir-fry is that you can watch the ingredient while you cook. Next, I add some rice cooking wine to the dish. Mushroom goes very well with wine. Next is to season the dish. You can season it simply with salt and pepper or with Italian seasoning, oyster sauce, soy sauce, or even Parmesan cheese. I created a honey, ginger, and chili sauce, and I used some honey that my beekeeper friend gave it to me. The final step is to add the cooked shrimp, and the total time for cooking this dish is 10 minutes. You just heard your wife enter the house. You quickly warm up the rice in the microwave, and dinner is served. You just cook a fresh and delicious dinner using all fresh ingredients with minimum processed food in less than 15 minutes. Even though you have never cooked this dish before, by using the template, you know it's going to turn out well because you are already familiar with the steps of each template. However, you know, based on this template, you can use various permutations in cooking future dishes, such as you can substitute the shrimp with chicken, or you can substitute the asparagus with broccoli. Consequently, you're going to have a lot of flexibility depending on your preference for the evening or what might be available in the refrigerator. With the templates, you can cook a simple, quick dinner, or you can create an elaborate dinner for celebrating and special occasion. In time, you're going to accumulate a large number of templates, and from there, you can create almost infinite number of combinations. In many ways, use a template-based cooking approach. It is really very simple. It's almost like you are a kid and you're using the Lego blocks to create different constructions. Based on my personal experience, I realized that in order to enjoy and have fun with cooking, a template-based cooking is clearly the way to go. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel as I will continue to give you ideas how to expand your template-based cooking. Thank you for watching. See you next time.